In this video, we're going to show you Teamotions' take on the classic Arnold Palmer. We'll be using Teamotions' delicious cold brewed iced tea and pairing it with a sweet homemade honey ginger lemonade. You can find the recipe for Teamotions' delicious cold brew iced tea on our website at teamotionstea.com. And just remember, you'll want to make this first. I make mine the night before. Next is to create our homemade honey ginger lemonade. You'll start by pouring half a cup of honey over 5 coins of ginger and placing it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Then you'll want to add half a cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice. I prefer Sweet Meyer lemons. And then add a half a cup of warm water and mix until the honey is completely dissolved. Once you've done that, you'll want to place the honey ginger lemonade into the refrigerator for a couple of hours to chill. Once you have your honey ginger lemonade and it's ready, you'll combine 4 tablespoons of the honey ginger lemonade over ice, just like this, with 8 ounces of Teamotions' delicious iced tea. Now, if you'd like it a little sweeter, feel free to add a little more honey ginger lemonade or a fresh sprig of mint leaves to add a little bit of freshness.